Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. If you guys are new here, welcome. I am just taking you guys through a little self-care day today, a productive day. You guys will see a lot of what I did, and I hope you guys enjoy this relaxing little chill video. I thought it was something different just to kind of switch it up, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy and just keep on watching. As you can see, I just showered and got ready for my day. I put lotion on, and now I'm just doing a hair treatment from Monate. This stuff is the best. If you guys are interested, you can go to my Instagram bio or my description and check out any discount code that you guys want for this brand. I love the oil. It's so soft and smells like lemon, and it's so fresh, and I just really love putting it in my hair as a little oil treatment, so you guys can do that. And now I'm moving on to cleaning my laundry. My room was a mess, so you guys will see that in the next couple clips. A lot of cleaning in this video. Hopefully it motivates some of you to kind of get that done and not procrastinate it. Showing you guys my vitamins. I am on a candida diet, as I've spoken before a little bit about my cleanse and detox for 1 month, and I'm just showing you guys the vitamins I take. I do take kind of a lot, so don't be thrown off when you do see those in my hand, but I can assure you guys that it is all safe, and I'm seeing a holistic doctor who knows what he's doing, so that is just why. And you will see me kind of struggle to take these a little bit because you just have to take so many, so it takes 10 minutes, but yeah, this is just that part of the video. is where I like to plan out my day for the next week, and I like to do a little bit of reading. It is probably around like 9 o'clock right now at night, and it's just what I like to do before dinner, and it just kind of like sets the mood and makes me feel more productive and more organized.
I would always have to lay down on the couch for an hour and I'd feel sort of nauseous. So it's like your time because I just know that those are my ideas on staying more values for your health and your well-being. And it's so much, and it's like, okay, obviously.
I'm now just lighting some candles, setting the mood. I wish you guys could smell these candles. They're woodwick and they crackle, so they make these really therapeutic sounds. And they just smell so good, like so fall, and it's so crisp, and the air has just like been so nice. And to kind of end my night, I like to go in the bathroom and wash my face. I do this every night. I take 2 cleansers and I just mix them, and then I do a little bit of skincare afterwards, which you guys have seen so many times on my channel. But after this, I will just kind of go right into bed, not use my phone. And I already wrote in my journal a little bit, so that's all set. I find that makes me have the best setup for the next morning, and just like for my whole week. That really just like sets the mood and sets the tone for my days and my weeks, and I really notice a big difference when I don't do that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!